Dirty. Just make sure it doesn't leak. Oh, the Skyline's doing the snake.
Dirty. Wait, he's gonna let him in. You gonna let him in? You've got to respect the V8s.
Fucking 8 AMG, oofed. That's a fucking call.
8 AMG, wow.
8 AMG, let's see if we can fucking eat this then. Fucking hell.
With his car full of balls.
What's behind me? Oh, little fucker. I hate these little fucking. I feel like I'm coming off the entry on the M4.
Yeah. Sounds pretty dirty.
Yeah, right. Hopefully dirty.
Pretty vaginal.
Coming off front.
Easy. Oh, look at all this rubber.
Oh, you can hear that, eh?
Yeah.
Not bad. Just listen to the turbo. Is it recording?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Isn't it funny how an F1 would already finished the lap on this already?
Well,
Ages ago.
how quick do they do it?
A couple of seconds, man.
Power tune S15.
Oh, that's bad. Bachelor. Fuck, he's got no exhaust. Oh, it's like yours. Fuck.
I'm taking the inside.
Watch out for this guy. He's gonna cut it. Sir HJ, that's a fucking mad number plate. Oh, I saw her, and then she took off. Gotcha, Lana.
Taking the power tune 15.
Yeah, let this guy go. Okay, on the outside of him. Wait. That's watch out for this guy.
Oh, would you brake like that?
I know.
Fucking idiot. Right.
That was it. Vera Wang. So much rock on the track. That's the same went on. Oh, fuck the combo.
Too much congestion, man.
Yeah.
He's got the right idea. The S15's dropped back.
Yeah, that's what you got to do, man. Fuck all these cunts. Just cruise around for the most
I
of
can take
it.
on this Ford though. It looks interesting.
Right near this one, there we go. Oh, watch the smoke. There's no fucking point. Fucking stupid ass smoke.
Yeah. Oh well, someone's gone off.
Yeah, go slow. Fuck it.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
And he still smokes the shit out of it. Look at this, bro.
I can't fucking see.
Can't see anything.
Actually,
Put hazards on or something. Fuck, you can't see
I can't
anything.
fucking see.
Oh, fuck's in my face. Easy, easy. Watch this guy's gonna come.
What the fuck is that?
They fucking love it, the V8s, bro. Whenever they get a chance to slow down, they fucking smoke the shit out of it. Strong blind spot check. Strength. Ah, fuck, I just got hit with some rubber. I was gonna smack with some rubber.
Might wait for that. XR.
Yeah, just fucking drop back, man. 'Cause look at all this. You give it and you're just running into traffic. You might as well fucking go slow
Hit
as.
the brakes already.
Yeah. You might as well slow the fuck down
I
a
reckon
bit.
he'll have me.
Who? Yeah, wait, just wait for him. Where is he? Yeah, wait back for him. Let these cunts go. Fucking good run. Good fucking run. Held him the whole way, bro. Fucking Tom, I did. I got that man on camera too, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That fucking 800 horsepower Civic's behind me.
Oh, the 700. Oh my god, that was brutal, brojobs.com.au. I love it, I love it.
Oh, AMG. This I want to do because I know I'm powered away and I got it.
The AMG.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Is it the same guy? AMG's ages behind, but there's a 32 GTR with it, so
Is it?
yeah.
This bit, I hate this little bit here. Fucking this smoke the shit out of it.
Oh, here he is. He's behind me now.
Who? The Amic?
Fuck no, this is
The Amic or
the
the
fucking ran into me.
fucking lack of
Amic in the 32 GTR.
Easy around here. Fucking smoke. Oh, here we go. So,
Synchros. I laid down a lot of tread though.
shit like that.
Look at it bashing into third.
So happy about it. Don't slide here. It's not worth it. Oh, you're off the track. Fucking strong. Just cruises off the track, no worries. Easy, easy, fuck. When they go, I get fuck me. The Amic. The big gay AMG. No, I love
I want to
AMGs.
destroy them.
I love AMGs. Hold back again, man, because this guy's gonna fucking.
This
These two want to race. He just fucking gave the signal, the international fucking. Fuck, that was brutal. Oh, watch out, this someone's fucked it. Yeah, they have. Slow right down, races GDR, I reckon. Fuck.
Yeah,
what's the point of this shit?
This is fucking stupid. You have to hold everyone up. Fuck, that's work off the
Oh, for
That's
fuck's
just fucking stupid. Oh, no worries. We'll just fucking wait here then.
Well, that was fucking pointless too.
15 behind me.
Let this guy go, I reckon. Unless you want to race it. Nah, he's fucking, he's fucking powerful.
I want the 15 and 32 GDR to come around.
Yeah, go real slow then if they're pretty far back. Let these guys go. You gonna keep the left lane?
Yeah.
Alright.
There's actually 2 GDRs and a 15.
Where is he, bud? Wait, let him catch up. Fucking no point. No point. Exit now. Get the fuck
2
out.
GTRs behind me that make me exit.
I got the fucking video of you pulling with the fucking 4x,
Yeah.
like full proper.
That's bad.
It's a mad fucking. Fuck, some guy just ripped it. That's angry, bro. Oh, there it is.
How's he doing?
Look at that. That's fucking nuts.
How's he doing the extra dirty?
Yeah, I know. That's pretty dirty.
Oh, man. 2 GDRs behind me.
Are they still there?
Yeah. And the 15. Could go that way.
You could go that way, but there's no fuck. You're better off going this way.
Fuck, I laid down a lot of smoke in that section. That's
Yeah,
so
you
bad.
did, bro. That was fucking mad. It's first, second, third. You fucking laid it down.
Getting nothing. I was sitting at like fucking nearly 8k.
Yeah, I know. I could see. I was like, fuck. God bless. Yeah.
You still recording?
Yeah, bro.
Fuck, the G, right. Might as well turn it off now.
Oh, we get the cars.
Yeah.
The girlies. Yeah, mate.
Love a bit of GTR. Well, Jack's not GTR. Is he lining up? I don't think you can line up. Yeah, you can't.
There's Sam.
What should I do?
Maybe go down, do a lap, fuck, go under the tunnel again. Oh fuck, see the Lambo?
Where?
Down there.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Fuck.
Nice.
Let's go past it. Just do a lap, might as well. Coppery.
Oh, he's just honestly waiting to defect that car in front.
Yeah.
Sitting so. Which way?
Go right, I reckon. Just for a lap.
Yeah, let's go.
Probably. You are, but you just.
Oh, it's one late.
No, it's not.
Yeah, everyone's coming out.
Yeah, but you can still go down.
Yeah, everyone's coming out though. I'll go
Yeah, but
stick,
it's 2 ways down there.
should I go stick it over there though?
If you don't. Yeah, if you want.
Probably be fucking anyway.
Yeah, fair enough.